Oh, oh snap. Yo! Oh man.
What's going on, y'all? It's Kuron J, and in this video I'm going to be doing a product review for Vine and Branches, a black owned and black formulated brand that cares at providing products targeted to work and cater specifically to and for natural hair. In this video I'll be trying out their stuff for the very first time, and I'm going to be using 7 of their products, so let's go on and get started. First product here is their green tea and rosemary signature clarifying shampoo. This product is formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and rosemary extract. Immediately after applying this shampoo to my scalp, I felt a real cool and invigorating sensation, which I liked. It's funny, I usually don't go for that kind of sensation when I'm looking for shampoos, but I actually enjoyed this one. For the second wash, I'm using the Restorative Nutrient Shampoo. And in it there's watermelon extract, aloe vera, sage extract, onion extract, and amino acids. The consistency of this shampoo is real jelly-like and very stringy. It's kind of fun to use, to be honest.
Wow, this is really good.
Yeah, it's really interesting. There's a slippery glide to it. I like that aspect of it. And to me, it's pretty similar to how a detangling product would feel, which surprised me for a shampoo. I wouldn't quite use it to detangle because that's just not my thing, but I was looking forward to the conditioner for that. I didn't get many suds from the shampoo and I did here. Part of that reason, it might mostly be because my hair was just damp from when I drenched it, but I did feel more suds when I scrubbed and rinsed the shampoo back out, which was done off camera. Next product I'm using is their signature deep conditioner treatment, which has castor oil, shea butter, and hemp oil. But my name for it is called the Showstopper, the big dog, because something happened when I applied this one on. I didn't realize it at first, but then I tried to go and separate my hair to get to the tangles. You gotta look and see this for yourself.
Oh. Oh snap.
I did not expect to witness what I was witnessing.
I didn't even put that much.
Usually any tangles of mine that are stubborn, I have to put a lot more time and effort in to undo them, but this one right here just melted them right away. Even the tangles that are at the back of my head, which most times are the worst for me to get right. This deep conditioner treatment got it right off the bat. With it all sectioned away, I went ahead and used a plastic bag to cover it and left that on for a good 30 minutes or a little over that. After taking that off, I went to go to tangle and brush through my hair. Went through just like butter. I don't think I ever felt that much ease before with detangling my hair and using this brush, which is my go-to detangling brush. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, my hair was smooth, shiny, and really soft to the touch. And now for the leave-on product, I'm going to be applying their Restorative Nutrient Serum. Annatto, amaranth, and olive are some of the key ingredients within this product. And take a look at the consistency. Vine and Branches definitely has a pattern of having some really rich consistencies in their product range, and I'm here for it.
Good Lord. Good Lord. Good Lord. Yo! Yo! This is fire! Oh, this is fire! The smell though!
Y'all, this smell has a real tropical breeze mango scent. It's mad fresh and light. And the way that the serum makes the hair feel is so silky smooth and soft.
The smell though. I can't get over the smell. The smell is too good. It's just too good. Oh, it's too good. Whew! It's too good! Yo! Oh man, what's in this stuff?
Yo, you ever had something to eat that just tastes so good, you start going to read the back for the ingredients? That's what I have to do for this serum. It's so good, I had to look at the ingredients list. This serum just melted and tamed my hair down.
It's so good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
My bad, y'all. Alright, next up, I'm using the long-lasting signature moisturizer right on top of that serum. This moisturizer's key ingredients are macadamia, aloe vera, and shea butter. I like how this moisturizer performs on top of the serum with adding a nice barrier of moisture to the hair, and it manages to do this without creating a terrible film of white residue. Then I'll be following up with their signature hair, scalp, and body balm. This product is formulated with geranium oil, lanolin, castor oil, and vitamin E. The texture of this balm is smooth yet tacky, and it's very thick. The smell of it kind of reminds me of a fresh forest, earthy kind of scent. It's very unique. I haven't smelled any hair or body balm like it. It definitely makes me think of vine and branches when I smell it though. And last but not least, I'm going to be using the signature scalp, hair, and follicle oil. Key ingredients used in this one are castor oil, mustard seed oil, vitamin D, and clove oil. I applied it all to my hair and scalp, and I really like how castor oil is used as the main carrier oil in this product. It helps the consistency of the oil be more on the thicker side. And I like that, so when it's on my scalp, it doesn't run down as easily like if I were to use any kind of looser oil. And I really can't help but to point out how these products help me get a real nice definition with my curl pattern. After applying all the products, I went ahead and used some steam so I could help merge them all together. After that, I put on a plastic bag for while I showered and got ready, so when I took it off, used some more steam. Can't never go wrong with a little steam. My hair really likes it. So now I'm getting ready to style and I'm about to pick out my hair. But I just want to take a look at that curl definition. Do y'all see that? I could have did a twist out. I could have pulled off a twist out with that one.
My hair's taking the product really well though. This is really nice. Alright, and so there y'all have it. Vine and branches. I love this stuff. I'd say that my favorite two products out of this collection are the signature deep conditioner treatment, and I also like the restorative nutrient serum. These two products are my favorite products. I really appreciate the slip that comes from this conditioner treatment, and I also really love the slip that comes from the restorative nutrient serum. Both of these products are really, really good. I like all the products, but I can say that these two products stand out for me, and I love the smell of this one. It's so good. So if you guys are able to get your hands on this stuff, definitely do yourself some good and get your hands on this if you can. This was really good. Really good.
But alright y'all, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank y'all for watching. Really hope y'all enjoyed it. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.